The startup era is over. The sovereign brand era has begun. Startups chase capital. Sovereign brands attract it because investors are no longer betting on tech, they are betting on trust. A founder with 10 million believers is now more powerful than a founder with $10 million in VC money. Sovereign brands don't start as companies, they start as movements that monetize later. Look at Elon, Balaji, or Mr. Beast. They didn't pitch, they signaled inevitability. Now, why this shift works? Narrative alpha. A brand that controls story flow controls market flow. Distribution autonomy. Owning the channel is better than owning IP. Cultural capture. The sovereign brand becomes its own media state, a decentralized government of belief. Now, to the solution. Now, here is how you design your own sovereign brand. Codify your ideology. Define your why so clearly that followers can repeat it verbatim. Architect a content to capital pipeline. Every piece of content should push toward a capital vehicle, fund, product, or membership. Build investor magnetism. Position your brand not as a startup, but as an inevitable gravity well for capital. Startups were born in garages. Sovereign brands are born in consciousness. If you want to build the future, stop building companies. Start building civilizations around your name.